Okay, so if you have either business or real estate, you should be deducting some vehicle expenses. And one of the common question is, hey, should I have my vehicle in my S corp or LLC? And the answer is probably with the current depreciation rules. However, it's got to be at least 50% business use to have it owned by either your S corp or LLC. So keep that in mind. If it's less than 50%, you need to own it personally and take the standard mileage deduction. So that's the deal there. And standard mileage deduction this year is like 60 some cents a mile. But if you're hitting that 50% number, have it in the business, and bonus depreciation helps you out. Last year, if you haven't done your tax return, standard mileage is 65.5 cents. And you should know this, right? Even if you have your vehicle in the business, maybe your spouse did some miles for the business, and your spouse can get reimbursed, right? And that's up to 67 cents a mile in 2024. All right. Here's your 2023 bonus depreciation. This is just showing you why you'd probably want it in your business. You can see just a regular car, right? You write 12 grand off up front, or excuse me, 20 grand with bonus. And then if you've got a heavy SUV, it's almost 29 grand. And then if you have a heavy truck with at least a 6-foot bed, there's no limit to how much you can write off. It can be a $60,000 truck. It could be one of those $100,000 trucks. Not saying you should go spend 100 grand on a truck, but if you did, you could actually write it off in year one if you've got enough profit.